What's up everybody, I'm Seth Fowler and today I've got a mystery unboxing in from a Fuse store in, I believe, Germany, I think. So this package came through FedEx, I believe yesterday, and I don't even know what to expect. They just emailed me and told me something was coming, so why don't we bust this guy open and see what we've got. Here we go, let's try this. Oh, sick. So it comes in this a Fuse store bag. Very cool. Let's see what we've got. Huh. I've never heard of this brand before. HML. Hummel. Oh, Hummel. There we go. So this looks like a collaboration between the store A Few and Hummel. This is the Hummel X A Few Marathon in transparent yellow. Transparent yellow, I wonder if that means that it's actually a transparent shoe. That would be sick, but I kind of doubt it. On the bottom of the box, we've got some text that says, "Sometimes we lose sight of our real dreams because we just get tied up in the daily grind." Ain't that the truth? Another side of the box says, "Stay foolish." This side says A Few, and the back side, as we looked at before, says Hummel. So here it is, here's the box. So why don't we bust this guy open and see what we've got. I genuinely have no idea what to expect. And I love when I get boxes like this because, unlike a sneaker that I've seen before, this is something that, I mean, I don't have any other way to describe it other than, I have no idea. Let's see, how do we do this? Wrong side, apparently. There we go. Things to do in life. We got a nice little notepad that says things to do in life. Apparently, according to this little tag right here, this entire box is 70% recycled, or at least that's what I saw on the bottom of the box. Yeah, 70% recycled. That's pretty cool. So let's see what the shoes look like. These are solid. These actually, I know they're not Saucony, but they remind me a lot of a pair of Sauconys. So these are the Hummel A Few collaboration. Very nice. Let's pull out the other shoe. Okay, I see you, Hummel. So here they are, the Hummel A Few collaboration. Having some trouble pulling this paper out, but there we go. The theme, or I guess the name of these sneakers, are the Stay Foolish sneakers, which I'm assuming is sort of a play on like childlike wonder or something like that. These are a really nice looking pair of shoes. I'm actually really impressed. Like I said, I had no idea what to expect, but this is something that's actually a very wearable and a very clean looking sneaker. I'm pretty impressed. So it looks like we've got sort of a lifestyle runner looking sneaker, and it's got some really nice suedes all over it, which I'm pretty impressed by. And they come in all sorts of different colors. Like you've got this sort of yellowish tan around the toe and this gray in the midfoot, and then this really vibrant salmon and purple on the heel, which I really, really like. You've also got, I would assume, Hummel's logo on the side, in this sort of chenille on the lateral side of the sneaker, and then this sort of embossed bump on the medial side of the sneaker in purple. And then the insole of the sneaker looks like it says something as well, at least on the left shoe. On the right shoe, it just has their logo. But it says, "Things I want to do in life." Very cool, and it's got a couple of those things crossed out. Open a sneaker store, crossed out. Work together with friends. Create a Hummel collab. Very cool. So this must be the owner of A Few stores bucket list. Own a candy factory. Nice. Open a store in Tokyo. Create an own brand. Watch the NBA finals. I mean, hopefully that one's like going to the NBA finals, because watching it's not that tough. I realize you're from Germany, but watching it is not that hard. I'm sure you can find it online somewhere. I love that concept. I think that's really cool. The outsole of the sneaker comes in the same sort of salmon red. You've got Hummel's text in the in sort of the heel midfoot area, and then some sort of light yellow and purple. On the back of the sneaker, you've got Hummel's logo and a Fuse logo, which I think is pretty nice. Also, now I'm just noticing this, the lace tips come in purple, and they say Hummel on them, and A Few. That makes sense. Here, let me see if I can find the price point. Okay, doesn't say it on the box, but I'm sure I can Google it. So the Hummel and A Few store collaboration released on February 23rd for $170 US. And the official name of the shoe is A Few X Hummel Marathona Stay Foolish. This is a really nice sneaker, a clean sneaker. And it also has this interesting sort of, you guys know when you were a kid, you'd play with those little beads that have letters on them? That's exactly what they did here. They have the A Few beads on the bottom of the laces, which I actually think are a pretty nice and unique touch. You've also got gray laces if you want to switch them out. I personally kind of like these white laces because they stand out a little bit more. While we're at it, why don't I try one of these on just to see if it's true to size. I'm not wearing any socks, but usually, even if you're not wearing socks, you can tell if a sneaker fits. So my toe feels like it's in the right place. It feels good on foot. I'd say it's true to size. I actually think this collaboration was very nicely done. I love the way it looks. I think the color scheme that they used was very clean. I think the materials that they used are surprisingly premium, like a really nice combination of materials. And I mean, overall, this is a pretty decent collaboration. This is one of those collabs that I can say was done very well and very thoughtfully. Sometimes you get a collaboration or a themed sneaker that just doesn't sort of convey the idea that it was meant to convey, or sometimes it just doesn't look good. And in this case, I think they did both. I think they created a really solid looking sneaker that gets the idea across of staying foolish and sort of staying true to your dreams, and I think that's very cool. So if you guys want to pick this up, like I said, February 23rd, I believe, on afewstore.com or A Few Store's website, and it should be $170 US, and I don't know what that converts to in euros, but that's what it's going to be. So thank you guys so much for watching. Huge thank you to A Few Store and Hummel for sending this collaboration out. It's a very nicely done collab, and I appreciate you guys thinking of me. I would love to know your thoughts on these sneakers, so make sure to leave those comments in the comment section down below. But as always, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe down below if you haven't yet, and I'll see you all in the next one.